In the kingdoms of Chandranagar, there was a king named Chatunath. His queen's name was Madhukani. The king was fine in a generals, but he had one very bad habit. He trusted his maids Amritas more than he trusted his own brains. He never made decisions on his own and always asked Amritas for advice. Whatever she said, he would do.
Your Majesty, I can't live with this woman. She doesn't speak properly to my mother.
And he gave the necklace I brought in dowry to one of his girlfriends.
But just as the king was about to speak, the maids whispered softly in his ears.
When I was little and fought with my friend, we would say, fight, fight, now forgive. Clean your heart and live.
The king's these lines he orders the husbands and wives to hold hands and says these lines together.
But, Your Majesty,
You dare question the king's words.
They were forced to do it.
fight, now forgive.
Clean your heart and
live. Fight over. Now go and don't argue again.
Manuj and Saroj left with heads down in the same Chandranagar. They lived a brother named Suraj. He had a strange habit. He cuts his hairs, however, he wanted, but pretty much in such a way that on once could complain. People got upset, but they stayed quietly because he was so clever.
Suraj brother, cut it short, but make it look the same. I love my original style. Oh, come on, sir. Why stuck in the old style? I'll make you look so royal. People will say, is he a prince? Oh, but I just... Silence. When an artist is creating, no one should interrupt. Just watch.
After a while, Suraj finished and made something strange. Karan looks in the mirror and his eyes wanders in shock.
Hey, what have you done? I don't look like a prince. I look like a clown. Brother, not everyone gets it. But trust me, in 2 days, the whole kingdom will copy your hairstyle. How are you, Suraj brother? Can you trim my hair too? Come, Manoj. You look so troubled. What do I say, Suraj brother? Our king has completely lost his senses. Why? What happened?
Manuj told him everything after hearing it. Suraj said,
What's done is done. Forget the king. Let me fix your beard and mustache the fancy way.
Saying this, he made Manuj sad and started styling his hairs. Meanwhile, there was choose in the kingdoms. A space was caught accused of working for the neighboring kingdoms. King Chadunas immediately gives orders.
Hang this traitor at once.
Your Majesty, when I was a child, my mother used to say, if someone makes a mistake, give them a chance to change. Every criminal has a good person hidden inside.
Wow, what deep wisdom, Amrita. Stop the hanging.
The entire court was stunned.
But Your Majesty, this is the matter of our security. I know, Minister. Even I used to eat mud as a child. But my mother corrected me. We must give the criminal a chance too.
Next day, the space escaped from prisons with the secret state information and reached the enemy's kingdoms. The peoples of Chandranagar were afraid to speak of the kingdom's foolishness. No one wanted to be jailed or be headed, but there was one place where people spoke freely. It was Suraj the barber's shop.
Brother, this king is getting foolish every day. Oh, speak softly. Even walls have ears. But Suraj's shop only has razors. Am I right?
Suraj would keep removing his hairs silently, but he would smile to himself.
Suraj, only you can talk sense into the king. As long as my shop's doing well, why should I care? Whether the king walks upside down or takes silly decisions.
Suraj was unique in styles. He did whatever he felt like. He would cut anyone's hairs the way he wanted, shapes hairs according to his mood.
What have you done, Suraj? I just asked for a trim on the sides. Bro, this is not hair. It's a work of art. Just wait. You'll be the next fashion icon.
Everyone laughed, but Suraj smiled one day when his shops was rocked. Someone's stole his new scissors, razors, and bottles of oils. Now, Ketu wants justice from the king. Suraj went to the royal court. As always, the king asked Amritas for advice.
Tell me, Amrita, what should we do about this theft?
Your Majesty, when my brother lost his toy, my mother said, if something gets stolen, just buy a new one.
Wow, what a great lesson from your mom. Buy him new tools and forget the theft.
Suraj was shocked.
But your majesty, what about the thief? Once you get new stuff, why bother catching the thief?
The entire course was turned against rights. Then Suraj decided it was time to teach the kings a lessons. Now Suraj started suspecting Amritas. He decided every room must be searched, and for that he asked help for a loyal place guards.
Brother, this maid seems fishy. I feel the same, but where is the proof? You'll have to arrange that. Search her room. You have to do it, brother.
And the search begins. Two guards searched every room carefully. Suddenly he found earrings. It had the animals' kingdom's symbols.
This is the enemy kingdom symbol. That means. That means our dear maid is actually a spy.
Now Suraj was sure Amritas had been sent to fools the king and weakens the kingdoms. Suraj had an idea. They went to the kings and said,
Your Majesty, you're here. Oh no, it's in such a bad shape, I can't even explain. Hey, I could fix it right away, Your Majesty, but all my tools were stolen. Now I need new razors and scissors. But who listens to my plea? Sorry about now, Your Majesty.
The kings immediately ordered and Suraj got new razors, scissors and soaps. The next day Suraj came to the courts to trim the king's hairs. He began styling it very well with cares. The king relaxed and closed his eyes. Then came the birds. Suraj slowly picked up the razors and placed it on the king's neck.
Hey, what are you doing? Your Majesty, I'm just doing what the maid told me to do.
The king was shaken in trembling voice. He asked,
What? What did the maid say? She said, after shaving the king's beard, clean his neck too.
The king's face turned pale. His legs began to tremble.
But how is it possible? Because, Your Majesty, your maid is a spy from the neighboring kingdom. She fooled you and tried to destroy our kingdom. Look at this ring.
With trembling hands, the king looked at the rings. It had the enemy's kingdom's
Oh,
emblems
walls
on
of the
it.
palace! Oh, ceiling! Oh, floor! What a fool I have been! Your Majesty, the walls, ceiling, and floor won't answer you, but maybe now you have gained some sense.
The king realized his mistakes. He immediately ordered his guards.
Arrest this maid at once! And from now on, I won't act on someone else's advice. I'll use my own brain.
The king looked at the Suraj who wins and said,
Your Majesty, I have shaved off your beard of foolishness today. Now try using the scissors of wisdom too.
The whole court burst into laughter, and this is how Suraj the barber cleverly taught the king the biggest lessons of his life.